A sharply divided Supreme Court put new restrictions today on the death penalty. The court had already barred executions of the mentally disabled. Today, the justices said Florida's IQ cutoff of 70 is too rigid in determining who is eligible for the death penalty. They said when inmates have IQs in the 70 to 75 range, other factors must be considered. The ruling was 5-4. Home prices are continuing to rise, but not as rapidly as they had been. They were up nearly 1% in March compared with the month before. But the steady increases of the past couple of years have started to level off. Vicente Arenas in Miami has more about that.
The cost of homes here in parts of South Florida dropped as much as 50% after the real estate bubble burst. A steep recovery followed, but Miami broker Christopher Zoller has seen a loss of momentum.
In 2012, we set record sales. In 2013, we broke that record again, but so far we're not on track to break a new record for 2014.
Compared to last year, sales of previously owned homes have dropped the past 6 months. Among the reasons, rising mortgage rates and fewer foreclosed properties selling at bargain prices. Scott and Christina O'Connor spent the last 2 months trying to find a bigger place for their growing family.
What has it been like trying to find a home?
It's been tough. There's not a lot of homes to pick from, and what there is to pick from, it's not good.
Well, conditions in the
Fed Chair Janet Yellen and the Obama administration have noticed a slowdown. Regulators are now considering a shift away from rules requiring a 20% down payment for government-backed home loans. Mortgage giants Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are also being urged to loosen credit standards for some buyers.
My husband and I are in the perfect position. You know, we both make good salaries. We don't have a lot of debt, but it's even hard for us to get a mortgage.
The O'Connors have a bid pending on a 3-bedroom house near Miami, priced at nearly $300,000. But it needs work. The new federal rules for down payments and credit standards are expected to be finalized by the summer. Vicente Arenas, CBS News, Miami.